Good morning, lads. Wow, I spoke like a true British man there. Um, Today's a nice sunny day, as you can see. We've been having, there you go. We've been having like no sun for the past. Oh, and the squirrels are playing outside. Can you see them? I don't know if you can. Look. What the fuck? That's crazy. Well, anyways, this is the first time in 9 days that we have sun. For the last week, it was a nice, shitty weather. Like it was like if we were in England. But now we have sun back. And today's gonna be a nice day. I have a bunch of stuff to do. It's 9 a.m. right now. I woke up at 6. Didn't do much. I was supposed to go to the gym, but it was too cold. It was like 9 degrees when I woke up, and I have to bike there. And I didn't want to get all dressed up and bike there, and I have to undress and everything. So I just decided to wait for the sun, so I can bike there with just my gym clothes. And yeah, well, whatever. I'm going at like 5, 6 today. And today is the first day I'm gonna be recording not my journey. I mean, yeah, my journey. I'm gonna be recording what I'm doing, my app, what I'm developing, building. I still have some other stuff to do. I have a freelancing gig, but at the same time, I also want to implement some new things on my app, and probably release it to the stores. I mean, it's already on the Play Store. I need to get 5 more beta testers so I can fully publish it. And for Apple, I need to fix a payment problem I was having before. But then it's a problem because I don't have an Apple phone. I don't have an iOS. But well, anyways, whatever. That's a problem for later. But hell yeah, let's fucking go. Today's a nice, toasty, warm day, and the squirrels are still playing. Look at that guy. Look at there's another one somewhere. Oh, he left. But look at this dude. Hell yeah. Okay then guys, I just spent here the last 3 hours. 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours. Working on the dashboard I said I was gonna work on. It's a freelancing gig. I'm not learning much, honestly, but still it's money coming in. And I'm gonna have lunch, and then I'm gonna come back and work on my app. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you what the fuck it is. Well, I was kind of dumb, honestly. I can't show you the app with my face because I use my phone to record. But yeah, essentially the app is a cookbook and a recipe saver. Here you put all your recipes. You have your profile, and every time you cook something, for example, here in recipes, the simple macaroni and cheese. You start the recipe, then you can like every time you get something you mark as like done here for so you know what stage you are. When you finish a recipe, you can add a picture here. In the notes you can add like only for you. Description, everyone knows about it. Yeah, we can discard meal, and yeah, you can follow your friends, for example. Let me show this guy here. He hasn't posted any logs yet, but if he had posted something, it would show up there. And yeah, it's essentially a recipe share, and you can. My next step is to add like a share button in this area here, and yeah, that's the main goal with the app. And honestly, like I've been stuck for the last 2 weeks maybe, because of the stores. I never know where to put the phone here, whatever. Because of the Play Store and App Store, and you have a bunch of small things that you have to submit to approval. And I don't have an iPhone, I have a Samsung, which is recording, and that's why I can't test on an iPhone. Things are kind of very slow, but as soon as I have both apps published on the Play Store for Android and the App Store for iPhone, things should be working and I can start marketing this shit. And so the idea, what I'm gonna do is gonna essentially do the same thing. I'm gonna put in the description the link to, there is a guy that I follow on Twitter and YouTube. His name is Jack, and Jack is a normal dude who got to 10K a month. No, that was with, I mean, yeah, he builds apps and he markets using TikTok. And he's a normal guy here from Oshawa, here in Ontario, like close to me. And his whole Twitter page is about how to do this, and he's a normal guy. He's not a guru, he's not someone trying to sell you something. No, he's just a normal guy who builds stuff, and like that's awesome. I find it fucking awesome. And what Jack did essentially was use TikTok and Instagram to post videos, short form videos for his apps, and that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and Jack's story was essentially he created an app called Curiosity Quench for people to quit doom scrolling. And when he was developing the app, building stuff and everything and marketing, he realized, oh shit, I take a lot of time to post stuff everywhere, because he had to post 3 tube accounts on Instagram, then 4 or 5 on TikTok, and he realized, damn, this takes me a lot of time, and all the available tools were too expensive for him to, it didn't make sense for him to pay. So he thought, you know what, let me just build one. And that's what he builds now. It's called postbridge.com. Well, you can't see, it's here, post-bridge.com. And yeah, Jack's a normal guy who builds stuff and posts to the internet to see, and I want to do the same thing. And so the concept of my app is called Farelo, by the way, which in Portuguese it stands for crumbs. And the main idea is that I use something called Hevy for my gym workout logs and tracker, and it's exactly the same. When I'm working out, I go and I press start, and then I do all my sets, all my repetitions, all the weight. I have it logged in the app, and I publish a log so my friends know that I have worked out. And it's exactly the same thing. Farelo is heavy for cooking, and Hevy is Strava for weightlifting. That's the whole idea of Hevy. The founder, he was using Strava for running, and he realized, you know what, they would be super cool if I had the same thing but for weightlifting. And so he was like, let me build that shit. I have to add some more stuff. I'm working on it, but my main thing for now is to get people to try it. I need on iOS, which I need my girlfriend's phone to be able to try. I need to fix a payment problem that shows up on iPhone, and I'm not being able to fix it. And I need my girlfriend's phone in order to fix it, because I don't have an iPhone. So I cannot do that for now. I have to wait for her anyway. Like, she has to be home. And so my main goal right now is to get the 12. On Google Play, before releasing an app, you need to have 12 beta testers. And to have those 12 beta testers, I need to, talk to people, talk to my friends. But everyone that I know has an iPhone. That's so fucking crazy. I was going through my Instagram followers and following, and everyone has an iPhone. I got there's my family and a couple friends in Brazil. No one here in Canada that I know uses an iPhone, except one guy from Peru. So it's like, fuck, what do I do? And so I'm gonna have to reach out to random people that are not like my close friends. I have a group of guys on Discord that I can text, and I think I'm gonna do that. And as soon as I have those 12 testers opted in to my closed test, I need to wait for at least 14 days before publishing. So yeah, that's a pain in the ass. 14 days, that's a fucking lot, right? But anyways, There's nothing we can do about it. It's a long game, and I really like the idea of this app. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Of course, I don't know, but I have a vision. And I hope it fucking works. So yeah, this is a video. This is day one of my journey. I mean, not day one. I've been working on this for like more than a month now. But it's day one of me posting, sharing. And if you got here randomly on YouTube, recommended you this video, and you want to try my app, and you have an Android, please comment below, and I can reach out to you because I need your email. So we can chat, and I hope you come back here for day two. And yeah, thank you very much.